Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the line safe. Shut the main valve and open a bleed port to release trapped pressure. Once done, wear gloves and eye protection so a sudden spray won't injure you. Inspect the quick connect collar, note which way it pulls and whether there's an integrated check valve. Then hold the coupling body steady with one hand while you position your other hand to depress the collar or sleeve. This first controlled release sets every subsequent step. You compress the collar or sleeve completely toward the fitting. This unlocks the locking balls inside. Once compressed, pull the plug straight out. An angled pull can seize the mechanism. If it's stubborn, twist gently while keeping compression. Avoid pliers on soft collars because they damage the diameter and prevent resealing. As you separate, brace the hose to control any movement and immediately cap both ends or wrap with a clean towel to stop dirt ingress. You finish by examining the internal parts, O-rings, retaining balls, and the sleeve groove for wear or debris because small damage causes leaks. Clean mating surfaces with a lint-free cloth and apply a light manufacturer-approved lubricant if indicated. This maintains smooth action. When you reassemble and repressurize, do it slowly while watching the joint for bubbles or hissing. If a leak appears, depressurize and replace the O-ring or the quick connect. If it still leaks, replace the entire coupling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.